All right, today I am going to show you how to open and close the air vents inside of a car, truck, van, minivan, whatever. I'm going to show you how to open and close the air vents. But before I get started, if you find this video helpful in any way along the way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. Now I'm going to show you how to open and close the air vents. Now this is important because when you have your air conditioner or heater on, you'll want the air to be directed towards where you want it to be directed. And I'm going to show you how to adjust it. Now if you find the air vents inside of your vehicle, you're right here on this particular vehicle and pretty much surrounded around the vehicle, and you'll find them. And I'll come up to this one to use this one as an example. So this is an air vent right here, just in case you didn't know. And this air vent generally comes with a tab right here where you can raise it or lower it. Now, when you raise it, you're directing the airflow to go upwards. When you lower it, it's going downwards. When you have it straight like this, the air is going straight at you, just like that. Okay, so you can play around with this, and this is just directing it for going up towards the ceiling, towards your face, and towards the body. Okay, so once you get it to an adjustable place or the place that you want, just leave it like that. And then you have the direction. You can have it go from left or right or straight at you. So you can control it for going up and down, and you can control it for going left and right. And I'm going to do that by taking this and I'm going to shift it that way, shift it that way. Do you see that? Now all of these do that. So you can shift it like this or that. Okay, so it's going left, right here. Then I can shift it to go straight or left. Now you can actually close the air vent on your vehicle right here. And generally you can do that by taking this and going either left or right all of the way. So this one I'm going to go left all the way. And if you look in there, you can see that this particular vent is shut. Okay, so no air is coming out of this right here, and it's going out of the vents that are open. Now to open this back up, I just go ahead and take this and just shift it to the side right there. And now airflow is coming out of that air vent. All right, and that is how you adjust the air vents, how you open and close air vents on a car, truck, boat, van, minivan, SUV. That's how you open the vents and close the vents. I hope this was eventful. I hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching.